friends, welcome back to my channel YouTuberviji. In this video I am going to create a New Year makeup look. Yes, this is going to be apt for this New Year evening. So come on, let's get started. Before that, a very happy New Year in advance to all of you. So come on, let's see how to do this makeup.
So these are the products I am going to use to create this makeup look. First of all, I am using this aloe vera gel as a primer. Clean your face properly, and first of all you have to apply this aloe vera gel as a primer. This is Nivea moisturizer. Next I am going to use this moisturizer. Here I am applying lip balm. This is the foundation I am going to use. This is shade number 228. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. The price is MRP is 500. So I am using this foundation with the help of a beauty blender sponge. It helps to give a nice finished look. You can see here. This is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact Powder. Now I am going to use this one. Now I am applying this compact powder all over my face, ears and neck. I am using a makeup brush. You can also use the powder puff available inside the compact powder. This is Manna Glow Illuminator. Now I am going to use this one. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can check the products. I am applying this illuminator on my cheekbones and spreading it with my fingers and nose bridge. Yes, I am blending it with my fingers. It gives a beautiful shine and glow to your face, and it will be very nice for the evening look. I am also applying it under my eyebrows, on my eyelids. I am going to use this Eyeconic kajal. This is the eyebrow pencil Ultime Pro, and this is the eyeliner pencil. It is from Elegance blue. This is a blue shade. First of all, I am using the eyebrow pencil. Now I am going to use the kajal. This is Lakme Eyeconic kajal. I am going to apply it on the waterline as well as under the waterline. I am going to create a little bold eye makeup. So I am applying it under the waterline. Now I am going to blend it with a makeup brush. When you blend it like this, it will give you a nice finished look. See here, I am also going to do the same way with my other eye. Here I am done. Now I am going to use the eyeliner pencil. This is blue shade from Elegance blue. I am going to combine pink and blue eyeshadows. So the eyeliner is blue. Now I am going to give a pink. This is the Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette that I am using. The price is 995 rupees. I am using the pink shade here. Now I am going to use this Revlon watertight mascara. It's waterproof and it gives a nice volume to your eyelashes. Yes, so I am applying the mascara. You can see the volume of my eyelashes now. This is Revlon 010 Peach Glow Highlighter Palette. The price is 1100. It gives a beautiful highlighting. So now I am going to highlight my face. You have to use the highlighter on the cheekbones over the nose bridge. You have to close the lips and apply a little there and also over the eyebrows. You can see how I'm applying. Yes. Now I'm using the brown shade of this highlighter palette to apply the highlighter below my eyebrows. Comes my favorite lipstick. Here is the Blue Heaven Elegance matte liquid lipstick. The shade is 09 red color. So yes, I'm applying the lipstick. This is another shade of Blue Heaven Elegance matte lip color. The shade number is 11. Now I'm going to use this on the red. I have already put on the bindi, earrings and necklace. Now I am applying this shade number 11 lipstick only in the inner side of my lips. You can see how it looks. It will give you a shady lipstick. You can see the shade, isn't it lovely? And here I am applying the sindoor, the real beauty of a woman.
So I hope this video was useful to you and you liked this makeup look. This is an evening makeup look. So I have added some lot of highlighters and shimmery eyeshadows and lipstick. So once again, a very happy new year in advance to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.
Press the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel YouTuberviji and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Subscribing is free.